So I think that's pretty cool. They got some railroad lights here blinking. And a caboose. But hey everybody, so we are in Jonesborough, Tennessee, and we are gonna check out the Railroad Museum here.
At Chuckey Depot.
Yep. Chuckey Depot Railroad Museum. It's open from 1 to 5. So follow us. This is where you come in.
They have live feed for the trains.
Yep. This is where you get your ticket to ride. 1906 depot, originally built in Chuckey, Tennessee. Some of the luggage they would have used back then. They have some post office desk here.
And that's a gorgeous piece.
Yeah.
As well as the bench. Notice board.
Clinch port and sunlight.
Bull's Gap we know well.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
pretty
look at
sexy.
that. Look at that train.
That's pretty sexy. Steamer.
Wow. Now, they did say that they change out the...
Exhibits every 6 months.
Yeah, so...
So today we're seeing something new. I'm not sure what to think of this, I'm sure.
No, but they have the steps. So, I'm gonna have myself a seat.
Don't you look adorable? How do I take a picture of this one? These are some beautiful pictures, artwork. Can we go out?
I guess so.
Yeah, you are. Come on. You're fine. Yeah,
So we have the blessing of having a train come by when we're at the train museum. Hey, so that was cool, wasn't it?
That was cool. It looked like they were hauling recycled metal.
Red light, yellow light, green light, go. Then they have like a little film in here playing.
Fox phone.
Yeah, there's the phone.
1946 style.
Railroad call box. That's hard to say, railroad call box. Some of the memorabilia.
So this depot was moved from Chuckey to Jonesborough because Jonesborough had a place for it. Chuckey didn't have the money for it.
Right.
So we're just thankful it's saved, moved over piece by piece.
Yep. That's really cool.
This weight.
Isn't that cool up there? Oh, what's this? It moves.
Yeah, this would be the thing that you drive over or you ride over.
Freight scale. And some of the old photos here. The goods exported from Jonesborough in 1873. Maybe. So here's some of the other
Model trains.
They're really cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
This is Railroads of Middle Tennessee, the Louisville and Nashville Railroad. There's their sign. Georgia, Clinchfield, West Point route. So here's a map of where the rail line went. There in Knoxville. And then that's where we're at in Jonesborough. And then on up through into Virginia. You don't see one of them every day. An old railroad spittoon. And you can hear the bell ringing. Pretty cool, right?
And this is just really cute and quaint.
And we know Steph-N-Lee and the old phones.
Love that, right?
Yeah.
The old typewriter, typing out all the invoices, stamping everything.
Yeah.
Morse code. Railroad, what do they call those? Telegrams. Stamps. That's an old scale.
Yeah.
He's never gonna do a train, so you're
Train order hook.
That's where you got the mail bags.
Yep. And I know you heard the bell. We're not going to ring it because I know you heard it already. But it is pretty awesome that they have that bell here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very well laid out. They have this museum.
Not real big, but it has a lot of punch for
Really, yeah, a lot
as
of
little
punch.
as it is.
Came out of the Southern Railroad Depot in Sparta, North Carolina.
Wow.
Now, would they have been better off in South Carolina, a better off depot, that they could afford the brass and the...
No, that's just the way they did them back then. I mean, everything came in brass back then.
I saw a lot of cast. That's how come I was
Yep.
gorgeous.
Yeah, that one was an oil base from
I see that.
in there. But we went ahead and electrified it just so we could use it.
Is that original old sign?
Yep, that was the original sign that was in front of the station at Chuckey. We tried to keep things as original as we could for you. And fortunately, everything in here is original. The floors, the walls, everything. So
The restorer did a beautiful job.
they did do a good job.
Beautiful job.
Now we're going to check out the caboose. This looks fun.
Little Red Caboose, babe.
Wow. I can honestly say I think this is the first time I've ever been in a caboose. No, it can't be. But, you know, a little sink. And a little toilet. Storage cabinet.
It's very obviously ship-esque. Like, I could see this on a battleship.
Yeah, it does kind of feel that way with the, I think it's the gray paint.
I think it's a battleship gray paint that might do it.
So then, we got a seat. Whew, we can sit down, which is nice.
And hold on to the rails.
Yeah, yep, Stephanie's holding
It's
on.
like a cross between a ship and a bus.
A ship and a bus.
That would be a train.
Yeah, now there's the phone.
Emergencies only. Oh, the pressure gauge.
Yep. Gauge cutout valve is inside the cabinet.
What is
that?
I'm not sure. It could be a
If-
time clock.
No, it's not a time clock. But I'm not sure what it is. If you know what that is, leave a comment below and say, you big dummies, this is what it is.
The flagman's seat is what this is called. And it has the little ramp that buses have. Put your feet up on.
Yeah.
And of course the potbelly stove there.
Yep, with the coal bin beside it. That's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah. Don't ask me to touch any of those schematics over here.
Yeah, don't touch anything, Stephanie. And then the electrical cabinet. They're pretty awesome inside.
Crank
Caboose.
windows with wipers. Crank windows with wipers.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Cool.
Yeah, there's that one. So that you could see during the, if it was raining. Do you love the museum?
I love the museum. What a cute thing. And this is all on donations and volunteers.
So it's on the wrong side of the tracks, but they do have a nice little park over there. Just thought I would mention it with the pavilion and looks like a slide. Some stuff for the kids.
Pretty much have a perfect view of the clock tower at the courthouse.
Yeah. Yeah, off there in the distance. All right, folks, that's gonna do it for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We want to thank everybody for watching. We want to thank everybody who has subscribed recently. Welcome to the channel. And until next time, have a Steph-N-Lee day.